why change the engine when you can change the oil?
Yes, that makes good sense.
Yes.
And that's what we did. We've given this toilet a little bit of a tune-up. Now, if you were to call a plumber and they come out, how much would this service call cost?
$200.
No, really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna guess.
Because I'm a woman. It would be 100 if he called a guy.
Oh, you know, am I allowed to upload something like that with you saying that? I don't want anyone getting mad at me. But here's the thing. If you call a plumber out here, they may not fix it with petroleum jelly, but they might have a little gasket to replace it with, or they may replace your entire fill valve. But either way, probably for a plumber to step into your house is probably going to cost you over $100 just for his labor. Maybe $125 plus parts. You might get out of this service call for $150. Okay? Think about that next time you have a singing toilet.